Ready to level up your financial knowledge? Welcome to EconomicIQ, where we simplify money and economics. Join us for bite-sized quiz videos. Don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end to unlock your financial prowess. Let's start today's quiz to score a perfect 100%. Your first question. What is an income tax? Take a look at the following options. A. A tax on property. B. A tax on purchases. C. A tax on employee wages. And D. A tax on income. Take a moment to think about your answer. Great job! The correct answer is D. A tax on income. An income tax is a tax imposed on the earnings of individuals and businesses. It is based on the income or profits earned. Get ready for your next question. What is a sales tax? Consider the choices below. A. A tax on individual income. B. A tax on business profits. C. A tax on purchases. And D. A tax on property. Think carefully before answering. Well done! The correct answer is C. A tax on purchases. A sales tax is a tax imposed on the sale of goods and services. It is usually a percentage of the purchase price. Time for the next question. What is a property tax? Let's explore the available options. A. A tax on employee wages. B. A tax on goods. C. A tax on property value. And D. A tax on investments. Take your time to consider the options. That's correct. The answer is C. A tax on property value. A property tax is a tax imposed on the value of real estate or personal property. It is based on the assessed value of the property. Let's dive into the next question. What is a value-added tax? Here are the possible answers. A. A tax on income. B. A tax on property. C. A tax on specific goods or services. And D. A tax on employee wages. Ponder the options before making your choice. Well done! The correct answer is C. A tax on specific goods or services. A value-added tax, VAT, is a consumption tax levied on the value added to a product at each stage of production and distribution. Here's your next question. What is an estate tax? Now, for your consideration, we have the following options. A. A tax on purchases. B. A tax on property. C. A tax on individual income. And D. A tax on inherited wealth. Contemplate your answer carefully. Fantastic job! The correct answer is D. A tax on inherited wealth. An estate tax is a tax imposed on the transfer of the estate of a deceased person. It is based on the value of the inherited wealth. Get ready for your next question. What is a capital gains tax? Take a look at the following options. A. A tax on employee wages. B. A tax on goods. C. A tax on property value. And D. A tax on investment profits. Take a moment to think about your answer. Great job! The correct answer is D. A tax on investment profits. A capital gains tax is a tax imposed on the profits earned from the sale of capital assets, such as stocks, real estate, or investments. Get ready for your next question. What is a payroll tax? Consider the choices below. A. A tax on property. B. A tax on purchases. C. A tax on employee wages. And D. A tax on income. Think carefully before answering. Great job! The correct answer is C. A tax on employee wages. A payroll tax is a tax imposed on the wages and salaries paid to employees by employers. It is usually withheld from the employee's paycheck. Time for the next question. What is a corporate tax? Let's explore the available options. A tax on individual income. B. A tax on business profits. C. A tax on property. And D. A tax on purchases. Take your time to consider the options. Well done! The correct answer is B. A tax on business profits. A corporate tax is a tax imposed on the profits earned by corporations or businesses. It is based on the company's net income. Let's dive into the next question. What is an excise tax? Here are the possible answers. A tax on employee wages. B. A tax on property value. C. A tax on goods. And D. A tax on specific goods or services. Ponder the options before making your choice. That's correct. The answer is D. A tax on specific goods or services. An excise tax is a tax imposed on specific goods or services, such as alcohol, tobacco, gasoline, or luxury items. Here's your last question. What is a sin tax? Now, for your consideration, we have the following options. A tax on income. B. A tax on property. C. A tax on goods considered harmful. D. A tax on investments. Contemplate your answer carefully. Well done! The correct answer is C. A tax on goods considered harmful. A sin tax is a tax imposed on goods or activities that are considered harmful or undesirable, such as alcohol, tobacco, or gambling.
Congratulations on completing today's quiz. Test your financial knowledge and challenge yourself with more videos. Remember to comment your score and stay engaged with the Economic IQ community. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and keep building your economic IQ. See you in the next video.